Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So a lot of y'all have been getting more and more interested in commodity fragrances, and a lot of you have been wanting to try commodity fragrances. So now is a good time to try them. This is not a sponsored video, but I am an affiliate with them, and I thought I would tell y'all about a little Mother's Day thing they have going on, and tell y'all about the fragrances that I have, that I like, and some others that you should try. So they're running a Mother's Day sale from April 27th to May 2nd, and you can get a free 5 ml of milk, one of my favorites, if you spend up to $60, and if you spend over $60, you get a free 10 ml. So that's a nice travel size for you to see if you like milk, but I feel like you'll love it. And don't forget, during the sale and any other time during the year, you can always use my code, which will always be down in the description box. So if you've been wanting to try commodity fragrances, the best thing for you to do is get the Exploration Kit. This is what it looks like, and it has every single commodity fragrance in it. It comes in a box like this, cute little booklet. This booklet is really nice. Let me show y'all this booklet. I ain't gonna spend too much time on it, but look how much information you get like in this book. It tells you all about the 3 scent spaces: personal, expressive, and bold. So personal is more of the, you know, close encounter fragrances, the more, you know, sit in your scent bubble type of fragrances. For people that don't like fragrances to be loud, you might get headaches. Personal will be your thing. Expressive is more, I want people to smell me, you know what I'm saying? So those are the ones that project a little more, have a little more longevity, and they're speaking out loud. And then the bold, of course, are the beast mode ones that they have, and y'all, I've heard really good things about those. I don't have any of those though. And then it has all of the different fragrances in the book, tells you the notes and all of the good things. So this is such a nice and informative book. I have gotten many of, you know, discovery sets, and I've never had anything with a presentation like this. Like, this presentation is phenomenal for sure. And then this is what the Exploration Kit looks like. It has the personal fragrances here, every fragrance that they have in the personal scent space, then the expressive scent space, and then the bold. They give you these cute little paper blotters in there. Like, is this not cute? And then you can test them all out and see what works for you. So I think this is super cute, and with all that information, girl, you definitely should find something in there that you like. So let's get into the 4 full bottles that I have, and there's a few in the Exploration Kit that I like and I still want, so I'll tell y'all about those too. But first is Milk Personal, and y'all, this is so nice. So this is the one that I like to wear to bed. It has marshmallow, it has milk, it has amber, it has musk in it. It's just soft and just creamy and just so good. I think you definitely have to like lactonic fragrances to like this, but this isn't like super lactonic. Even though it has the milk in it, the milk is on the top, so it's not like super duper milky. It's more creamy and comforting. You definitely get a little bit of the woodiness. You get the musk to just make it like nice and soft. This is definitely the personal scent space, so that's why I like to wear this to bed, because it does sit more close to the skin. It's not super long lasting. It's definitely not like booming all over the room. It's really something that you smell when someone is close to you. They will smell it on you. They're under you, hugging you, laying on you, whatever. You know, this is Netflix and chill type of vibe. So that's what I wear this for. So this one is my most recent one, and this is a Velvet Expressive, y'all. This smells so good. I do think this one is better for the fall winter. It has a spicy, nice, like spicy smoky vibe with the cloves. Like, that smells so good to me. It has almond, it has coconut, nectar, rose, vanilla, and black amber. Like, so if you like smoky, woody fragrances with that rose in there, like, this would be so good. And it has like that sweetness to it. Try this one. Next is one I have been enjoying for a while, and this one is perfect for the spring and summer. It is Go Expressive. Now, as y'all can see, I personally really love the expressives. Like, the expressives be hitting for me, because even though they have different scent spaces like personal, expressive, and bold, they don't all smell exactly the same. They all have their own different little twists, and expressive has just been hitting for me. Gold, I like gold, so keep telling y'all, like, I like this better than Gypsy Water. Like, they have the same type of vibe, but this one to me smells better. It smells clean but sweet at the same time, and it just smells so good. It's so easy to wear. It's an easy grab and go. You can wear this right out of the shower. You can wear this to go run errands. It's just a nice, clean but sweet fragrance. I can even wear this to bed, and it's not too much. It's not too offensive, too loud, or anything. So this is just a nice soft vanilla, and I've really been enjoying gold. Last for my full bottles, certainly not least, because it's my absolute favorite, and it is Milk Expressive. This one has milk, marshmallows, musk, mahogany wood. This is for my girls that like it lactonic, but this isn't just lactonic. Like, this is a woody lactonic fragrance. So this is creamy, sweet, soft, and woody, and it's just like so good. I love this. This is absolutely perfection in the fall and the winter, but you can definitely still wear this in the spring. If you want to wear this in the summer, I would wear it at night. And this isn't anything that's like super sexy. This is definitely a easy reach, something that you can wear to something very casual, but also this is amazing for layering. You can layer this with so many things because that creamy, woody, lactonic vibe goes with so many different fragrances. If I have a fragrance that's a little too more masculine, girl, I can layer this with it and it just comes to life. So I have been loving Milk. I got more of a dent on Milk than I do gold. I'm like down here on Milk, but this is definitely my favorite from the house. And let's get into some that I want to purchase from Commodity. So I've definitely tried all of these because I did the video, which I'll link down in the description box, where I tested all of the personal fragrances. I've also had another discovery set where it was like a couple of the expressive, a couple of the bolds. So with this one, it has like literally every fragrance in there. So another one of the fragrances that I like is Moss Personal, in the personal space. I didn't think I would like it. I thought it would be too mossy, too woody, but it was actually nice and fresh and clean with a little spin of the moss on there, and the moss wasn't too much, you know what I mean? That citrusy vibe gave me, you know, that nice fresh out the shower type of thing. It wasn't too mossy or too woody or anything, and the juniper berry gave it like a nice, you know, nice fruity nuance in the base. So that one was cute. That was definitely something I would get to just wear it right out of the shower. Velvet Personal, I liked Velvet Personal. It is just a little softer than Velvet Expressive, but you still kind of get that like smoky vibe. You get the sweetness, you get that rose. So I really like Velvet Personal. And also Book. I liked Book in the personal space too. For some reason, Book in the personal space kind of reminded me of Brie Charnel. So yeah, if you like Brie Charnel, you might like this one. It's definitely not as, you know, loud as that one, but it'll give you that vibe, but something more calm that you can wear to work or to bed or something like that, or just to run errands or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So of course y'all know I like so many of these because I already have them. So of course I like Milk, I like Velvet, I like Gold. I didn't really care for the other scent spaces in the Expressive. I think I'm cool on those. Now for the Bold, Milk, of course, I do want Milk. I thought that was a really, really good one, and it did have a different twist on it from the Milk Expressive and Milk Personal. So I definitely want Milk in my collection because I want all the Milks. I want all of them. The other one I really liked was a Velvet Bold. Velvet Bold was really nice. It kind of reminded me of a more feminine jazz club. Yeah, so that's why I liked it. And ooh, when I tell y'all this was beast mode and super duper long lasting, like ooh, that sample took me through the whole day, and I was like, okay, I need to get that one for sure. Also, Gold Bold was not bad. It wasn't, I didn't want it more than Milk and Velvet, but if I had to pick a third one, that one would be it. So if you made it all the way to the end and you have been wanting to try Commodity fragrances, I want to gift this to somebody because I kind of already know what I want, but I want one of you guys to explore this and really find what you like in this house, because it's so many fragrances, and you know, it's hard to get samples of them unless they're in your Sephora. So yeah, I definitely want somebody to try this, especially since Mother's Day is coming. So I definitely want to do a giveaway with this. So if you're interested in trying this, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below with hashtag Commodity Fragrances, and you have until May 2nd of 2023 to respond to this video, and I will be getting this out to the winner. So if you already own some Commodity fragrances that you love, let me know what they are. I will give them a try if I haven't, but I think I tried them all. But still, let me know which ones you like. I may have to revisit those. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.